Hi guys, this is Nutritionist Shivangi Garg. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make spaghetti in marinara sauce, which is commonly known as the red sauce. This is a very simple and easy recipe which everybody can try in few minutes. So let's just start. In a pan we'll put 1.5 to 2 liters of water. One tablespoon of oil and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Now we'll slowly add our spaghetti to the water. Cook on medium flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can see it's very soft and it's almost done. We'll turn off our gas and take some vessel like this to strain our spaghetti. We'll wash this well with cold water so there is no steam, otherwise it will make it soggy after some time. Now we'll mix some oregano so the pasta does not taste bland. If we add oregano only in the sauce, pasta does not taste that much good, so adding here also enhances the flavor. We'll add some oil so that they do not get soggy or stick to each other. It's done, keep it aside, let's make our sauce. We'll take about 10 to 11 medium-sized tomatoes. Cut the tomatoes very little from the top so they get cooked easily and faster. Our tomatoes are boiled and let's cool them down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now our tomatoes are also cooled down, let's peel the skin and blend them. Come, let's see the ingredients for our sauce. I'm gonna start with heating some oil. Adding garlic and onions. 1 teaspoon salt and quickly saute them. Once the onions are little translucent, I'll add my tomato pulp. After adding the tomato pulp, cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. I'll add salt, oregano, and you can add chili flakes if you want. You can see how amazing our pasta is boiled. It is so bouncy. And the spaghetti in marinara sauce is ready. I am garnishing my spaghetti with oregano. If you want, you can garnish it with cheese also. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel.